Alright, so to increase the amount of the product N2O4, there are several possible ways. We have to channel our answer based on the 4 factors there: concentration, temperature, volume or pressure, or adding inert gas. See whether we can increase or not. So for that, we begin with the first one, that is concentration. So first we look at concentration. So the first factor is concentration. 2NO2 in equilibrium with N2O4. Okay. So we want to increase the N2O4. So we have to reduce or we have to increase the concentration. You only have 2 options, either to decrease the concentration or to increase the concentration. So what do you think the first thing we can do to increase the amount of product? Decrease the product, okay? So that means we decrease the concentration of, I think I write lah. So the first thing suggested is decrease the concentration of N2O4, okay? That is first possible, okay? Suggest means you cannot state, you have to explain, okay? So in this case, what we can do is decreasing the concentration of N2O4 is the disturbance to the equilibrium system. Okay, in order to remove the disturbance based on Le Chatelier's principle, equilibrium have to shift in the opposite direction or in the counter attack direction. In this case, when you decrease the concentration of N2O4, equilibrium position will shift forward. Shift forward, that means what happened? N2O4 will increase. Okay, right? That is the first possible. Decrease the concentration of N2O4, then equilibrium position will shift forward. When shift forward, then concentration of N2O4 will eventually increase, akan bertambah lah. Sebab equilibrium bergerak ke hadapan. Second way, cara kedua. Any suggestion how to increase N2O4? Selain daripada kurangkan N2O4, apa lagi kita boleh buat? Yes? No, we are talking about concentration only concentration. That's why we have to arrange our answer systematically. We don't jumble up all the factor. First we discuss concentration. After concentration, next factor. Then your answer is more systematic. Just concentration only. What we can do, other things. You can give suggestion. So we said we add more NO2, right? Add more, ataupun increase the concentration of NO2, right? Increasing or adding more NO2 will disturb the equilibrium. So to reduce the disturbance, because increasing NO2 is the disturbance, we have to get rid of the disturbance. That means we must reduce the NO2. To reduce the NO2, the only way you move forward. When you move forward, what happened to N2O4? Increase. Yes, good. Okay. So there are 2 suggestions under factor concentration. Okay. Because the answer is very short, just because there's only one reactant and one product. So you can imagine, let's say we have 2 reactant, 2 product, then you got more answer, more suggestion. Okay. All right. So going into second one. Second one was we decided. Now you can talk about temperature. So we go to temperature. Okay. Again, same equation. We see the temperature here is exothermic. So what we do here, we write the equation, we put here negative, and then on bottom there we write exothermic, and then on top of the arrow we write and bottom of the arrow we write. So now temperature only have two options. Either you increase or you decrease. No? So let's say, for example, I give one example. What happens if the temperature is lowered? Contoh lah. Okay, temperature is lowered is the disturbance. So we have to increase the temperature. To increase the temperature, you have to release the heat. Release the heat forward or backward? Forward. So can we increase N2O4? Can. So the answer is temperature decrease. One of the option lah. One of the option. That means obviously you will get the wrong answer if you put temperature increases. Now what happens when temperature increases is the disturbance to the system. We have to get rid of the increasing temperature. We have to reduce the temperature. In order to reduce the temperature, we have to absorb the heat. Absorb the heat according to the equation there. Shift backward or forward? Backward. Kalau they shift backward, what happened to N2O4? Increase or decrease? Decrease. Kita nak increase ke decrease? Increase. So salah lah jawapan dia. So this is incorrect. You don't discuss the incorrect answer. We discuss because it's a tutorial class. We discuss all the possible. Your answer, you discuss about lowering the temperature. Of course, when you start to discuss, you don't know whether correct or not. You can't straight away get the answer. This is try and error. Okay. All right. That is about factor number 2. Temperature is only that one because they already give us whether it's endothermic or exothermic. So that's fixed. Okay. Now we go to number 3. Number 3, I said either volume or pressure. We can split, later we see whether we want to split or we want to do is just one. Okay, I take volume lah for example. Okay, 2NO2, N2O4. Okay, so again, same like temperature, volume also only have 2. Whether increase or decrease. So volume increase, contoh saya pun tak tahu jawapan saya try saja. Volume increase is the disturbance. We have to get rid of the disturbance. So I should go for smaller volume. And volume is inversely proportional to pressure. If I want to go to a smaller volume, then definitely pressure will be very high. And from ideal gas equation, we know pressure is directly proportional to number of moles. If pressure need to be increased, then it must go to bigger mole. Okay? It must go to bigger mole. In your opinion, bigger mole left or right? Left, no? So that means your equilibrium position will shift backward lah. Kan? Kalau shift backward, N2O4 bertambah ke berkurang? Adakah menjawab soalan? Tak. So that means option A salah lah. You tak boleh increasekan volume dia. Cuba kita fikir terbalik. If volume is decreased, volume of the container, when you write there, you don't write volume of the gas, you know. This is volume of the whatever, the container, vessel or whatever. Okay, because we assume these gases are very finite, you know, sangat halus. So their volume can be neglected. We have to refer to the volume of the container that they contain. Something like letak piston tekan lah. You understand the concept? It's not like volume of the gas you pergi kurangkan. The container piston tekan kurang, piston naik besar. Macam itulah. Kita kata movable piston yang boleh bergerak punya. Because some people think the volume they are referring to is volume of the gas. No. Volume of gas is very small compared to the volume of the container. Okay. So let's say we try reduce the volume. Okay. When we reduce the volume, that is the disturbance, right? So we have to get rid of the disturbance. So that means we have to increase the volume. If I'm increasing the volume, my pressure will be getting lower. That means once you increase the volume, then the pressure will be low. Okay? And then pressure low only happens when you go to smaller moles. Based on ideal gas equation. Lowering the pressure only can happen when number of moles is reduced or getting smaller. In the equilibrium, number of moles smaller, left or right? Right. So equilibrium position will shift forward because smaller mole, right? Then what happened to N2O4? Increase. Is that what we want? So B is the answer. So we got 4 answer already concentration ada 2 jawapan, temperature ada 1 jawapan, volume ada 1 jawapan. Okay. Setakat ni kalau ada soalan boleh tanya dulu. Ya. Okay, can. If let's say you want to discuss just pressure only, kan, tanpa bincang volume, we don't include volume, the variable volume in your discussion. We just focus on pressure. Dia punya explanation sama macam concentration, exactly same like concentration. Contoh, kalau N2O4 punya pressure kita pergi kurangkan, itu adalah gangguan pada sistem. If the pressure of N2O4 is being reduced or lowered, that is the disturbance to the equilibrium. So to get rid of the disturbance, we have to increase the pressure of N2O4. How to increase the pressure of N2O4? Move forward. Move forward, then the pressure of N2O4 will increase. Okay? So when you move forward, obviously the amount of N2O4 will increase also. Dia sama macam concentration punya penerangan. But seldom people talk about this pressure because they already discussed in concentration. It will be almost similar. Okay, so that's why we want to discuss volume and pressure. We want to discuss about the pressure. The best friend to discuss about pressure is volume. That's the best answer. Okay, if you later on you take engineering in future, you will understand volume is the deciding factor for pressure. Anything to do with the pressure, you have to check the volume. Okay, it's like that. So we just discuss volume. Okay, clear? Okay, now go to factor number 4. Factor number 4, this one I just try. I also don't know the answer. Adding inert gas, we have 2 conditions. Either constant volume or constant pressure. And this one I take out from the option, because if the volume is constant, equilibrium position will not change. Okay, kita keluarkan itu. So let's say, for example, we add xenon gas at constant pressure. Let's say you're adding xenon gas. Xenon is an inert gas, right? An inert gas at constant pressure. So same like what we discussed yesterday. We have NO2, we have N2O4, right? Then we are going to put in Xe. We are going to pump the xenon gas into the container, right? So here will be P total, contoh value X. So after you pump the gas, the P total still must be X, correct? Because the condition is constant pressure. We have to maintain the pressure. So what will happen to the original gases in the container? Both the gases will drop in pressure. Then only they can maintain at X ATM. Right? This is what we discussed yesterday. You cannot disturb xenon. Xenon baru pump masuk dalam. Jangan kacau dia. Yang ada dalam container tu asalnya adalah NO2 dengan N2O4. Itu dua kena berkurang. Baru dia boleh accommodate P total yang sama. So the pressure is dropping lah, both of them. Okay? Pressure dropping is the disturbance. The pressure shouldn't drop. But however, to accommodate the condition of constant pressure, the partial pressure of NO2 and N2O4 will will decrease. That is the disturbance. So what we should do, we have to increase their pressure. When you want to increase their pressure, obviously you go to bigger mole. And which is bigger mole, left or right? Left, so shift backward. Correct, shift backward. N2O4 increase or decrease? Increase or decrease? Kalau backward, decrease. Is it answering the question? No. So that means factor 4 ni langsung tak ada lah. So jawapan 4 sajalah. 2 concentration, 1 temperature, 1 volume. Each one 2 marks, so 4 times 2, 8 marks lah. You have to explain contoh you tulis tadi kan mana tadi? Volume tadi kan you kata all these things that I write in the turquoise color, you have to write in statement. Okay? But the main answer will be how to increase N2O4, volume will be decreased. That is the main answer. Jawapan pertama dia adalah another way to increase the amount of N2O4 is by reducing the volume of the system. Contoh full stop, lepas tu explain. What will happen? When you increase the volume, decrease the volume of the system. That is what we should do to increase N2O4. So then you explain what happened. N2O4 decreasing is the disturbance to the system. So in order to get rid of the disturbance, we have to increase the volume, which favors the lower pressure. Lower pressure always generated at the smaller mole. Therefore, the equilibrium shift forward, then production of N2O4 increase. Baru jawapan dia lengkap untuk 2 markah. Sebab jawapan dia, soalan dia suggest kan? Saya tak ada soalan kan ni. Suggest Suggest betul, dia kena jawapan panjang. Tak boleh volume of the container or volume of the system decrease full stop. Tak dapat markah penuh lah.